we bought a new tool at Harbor Freight. Had good reviews, and we are trying it out today for the first time to just kind of kill some weeds, get down to the root. And you just use this standard propane tank. It just has a hose. And turn it on. Use a lighter. We call it the Flamethrower. Yeah, safety goggles, and you can see it's doing a real good job here. We're trying it out up here with our little garden here at the Dusty Saddle, and we're hoping to take it down to the lower field where we're planting our asparagus, to at least maybe for the smaller fields. On the bigger stuff, when we did the garlic, we actually got a good fire going and just raked it, burned the field with coals. But this may be a good solution to have more of a controlled burn for some smaller spots like this. Seems to be working. We checked out the reviews on Harbor Freight before we bought it, and a lot of people liked it. So it's okay. So just wanted to revisit this to look at. Of course, this has been tilled up since we used what we're calling the Flamethrower. As we look down here in this section, we use the Flamethrower on all of this. So it's looking good. It burned everything on the top and hopefully got some of the roots on the bottom as well. Of course, dandelion roots go down 6 or 7 inches, so it's not going to get those, but we feel like it's a quick way to kind of go through and get some of these smaller patches of gardening. And we're probably going to use it in lower field for the asparagus that we're going to do. Nice little tool. Thank you, Harbor Freight.